Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the XiL 011RTS drone, a quadcopter packed with features designed for adults, whether you're just starting out or looking for something more advanced. Right off the bat, the camera system is a major highlight. This drone boasts a 4K camera enhanced by a Sony sensor, promising clear visuals. What really sets it apart is the combination of a true 3-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization. This setup, paired with potent brushless motors, is designed to provide rock-solid stability, ensuring your high-definition videos and photos are breathtakingly smooth and sharp, even in less-than-ideal conditions. The adjustable lens also adds flexibility, allowing pilots to capture scenes from various angles and distances. Powering your flights are two intelligent 3,400 mAh batteries. With both included, the XiL 011RTS offers a total flight time of up to 56 minutes. That's 28 minutes per battery. This extended flight duration means less time charging and more time in the air, capturing those crucial moments without worrying about the battery dying too soon. For those who want to explore further, the transmission range is impressive. Utilizing integrated Wi-Fi relay technology, the drone can maintain control and transmit video feed up to an impressive 9,800 feet in outdoor, unobstructed conditions. This long-range capability opens up possibilities for exploring diverse landscapes and getting unique aerial perspectives. Safety is also a key focus with the advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. The 011RTS uses a laser obstacle avoidance camera to provide omnidirectional sensing, front, rear, left, and right. With an effective avoidance distance of 65 feet, this system helps give pilots peace of mind, contributing to a safer flight experience, especially when navigating complex environments. Designed with outdoor shooting in mind, this GPS-enabled drone is equipped with high-quality brushless motors. These motors not only contribute to the camera's stability, but also make the flight more stable overall and noticeably quieter compared to brushed alternatives. The drone's design is also practical. It's foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. Intelligent flight modes are standard here. Thanks to GPS, you're less likely to lose the drone. Features like auto return home activate automatically if the battery gets low, the signal is lost, or if the pilot presses the dedicated button, bringing the drone safely back to its starting point. Other smart modes include GPS Follow Me, waypoint flight for pre-planned routes, and point of interest to orbit a specific subject. Controlling the 011RTS is made accessible for various skill levels. It includes a beginner mode where flight distance and height can be limited, making it a perfect entry point for new pilots. Basic functions like one-button takeoff and landing, optical flow for stable hovering indoors or at low altitudes, air pressure altitude hold, and GPS positioning are all present. For more creative shots, advanced flight modes like spiral, fly away, one-key soar, and even one-click options for shooting short, movie-quality videos are available. In summary, the XiL 011RTS appears to be a feature-rich drone offering a powerful 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS, extended flight time, long-range transmission, comprehensive 360-degree obstacle avoidance, reliable GPS functions, and user-friendly controls suitable for both beginners and more experienced pilots. Its robust feature set, including brushless motors and a foldable design, positions it as a strong contender for adults looking for a capable aerial photography platform.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.